Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install SQLite on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. So let's open the terminal. Now thereafter here, I'm going to write this command sudo then apt install SQLite 3. Give their password. Now here installing this SQLite 3, and here you can see this all is progress is there. So this turn, let's use the clear command. Then after checking the version, SQLite 3 version. So you can see 3.46 that install. Thereafter, let's use the clear command. Then here this is the optional, but there I'm going to create or development libraries. So for this one, let's write there sudo apt install, then lib SQLite 3 -tab. Press enter. So this here installing library SQLite 3. So this done. Let's use the killer command. Then I'm going to create one simple database. So here SQLite 3, then giving the name is my SQLite DB. Dot for database we need to give the extension DB. So here you can come inside there. After that here if you write this help, then you can get this all you can get there. The next is this SQLite 3 that I'm going to connect with the dbeaver. So dbeaver, so dbeaver community edition that I'm using. Now let's close this, and here let's click on this plus. Then if I search there SQLite, you can get this one. Click on next. Here you need to specify the path. So for path, let's open their terminal, new, then giving here which SQLite. So you can get there on this location. So copying this one, and here you need to paste on this path. Thereafter test connection, this is connected, okay, and next or click on this directly finish. So SQLite 3 that's connected there. Thereafter you can do so many things according to your requirement. So this is the way we can install the SQLite on this Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.